We have some big news coming in. Indian pace bowler Mohammad Siraj allegedly abused by spectators at the Sydney Cricket Ground, Australia. Team India lodges an official complaint. Mohammad Siraj was racially abused by drunk spectators on the third day of the third test against Australia in Sydney. The Indian team, Team India, has now lodged a formal complaint against racial abuse that Mohammad Siraj faced at the ground in Sydney. Drunk spectators allegedly abused Mohammad Siraj, made some racial comments, and this was taken seriously. Team India now lodging an official complaint. It appears that those spectators were drunk, and this happened on the third day of the third test against Australia in Sydney. Let me quickly cut across to Boria Mazumdar for more details. Boria, here is racial abuse that Mohammad Siraj has faced at the Sydney Cricket Ground during the test match. And it's not new that Australia indulges in such, at least spectators there. It's quite common that we've heard such racist comments coming in from spectators. Somehow the Australian team does not take it seriously. There isn't any clampdown on such kind of abuses.
You're so right, Nabila. You're so right. I mean, this is 2021, and a player gets subjected to being called out of his, about his parentage. He's called a big monkey. He's called, other racist chants directed against him for a full period. This is ridiculous. I mean, the BCCI should take this up with Cricket Australia. I can confirm to you that the match referee has been formally informed by the Indian cricket team there. They've lodged a formal complaint. They're absolutely livid as we speak, and this continues for a while. Even Ajinkya Rahane informed the on-field umpires that he was being subjected to this. This is absolutely unacceptable for anyone to encounter this. And it's Sydney again. It is Sydney again. This is ridiculous. I mean, at this point in time, if a player is subjected to this, and as I said, his parentage was questioned. He was called a big monkey, and other racist chants were used against him. Something serious has to be done, Nabila, about this, because you cannot play. The field of play cannot be violated by certain drunken people who are taking the law into their hands and using such abusive behavior. What about security? What about security people at the ground? Why didn't these spectators be thrown out immediately? Why wasn't that done? Cricket Australia need to answer some really tough questions here.
Boria, one can only imagine if the same was done to Australian cricket players, then the kind of backlash that one would have received. And this is somehow accepted, and we don't know how. And it's time again reported that these kind of abuses coming in at the stadiums in Australia, and it's not new.
100%. And think about what happened to Harbhajan Singh. I mean, that was a false accusation. It was proved to be so. And for almost, first he was banned, then that ban was overturned. There was one camera which was placed only on Harbhajan Singh. And it was as if he was ask him, he will tell you that I was being treated like a convict in a jail. That is what he was subjected to. And here, Mohammad Siraj being called a monkey, he's being constantly abused racially, no action taken against drunken spectators. Match goes on, the match referee being asked by the Indian team, come on, this is ridiculous. I mean, why should a player, give me one reason, why should a player want to come out and play in such an environment? Why would he be subjected to such abuse? This is unacceptable. As I'm telling you, as I'm getting news, the team is livid. They are in a huddle in the team hotel. They are absolutely disgusted about it, and the match referee has been informed. So we'll wait and see what action is taken, if at all.
Absolutely. The BCCI must demand answers from Cricket Australia. Boria Mazumdar there bringing us some details on the racist abuses that's coming in the way of Mohammad Siraj right at the Sydney ground, the test match. Now, news is that the Indian team has filed a formal complaint and they're awaiting a response from Cricket Australia. Thank you, Boria, for joining us on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.